Don't want to spend over £200 on a new pair of headphones, but still want top-tier wireless audio technology? Well, I might have one very solid pick, and one option if you're fashion-forward and open to experimenting with new looks, because I haven't seen anything quite like these. These in question are Huawei's kind of flagship staple wireless earbuds. The FreeBuds Pro 3, more on those later, and these interesting looking things are the FreeClips. And they launched back in December in Dubai, where I also went dune buggy driving in the desert. And they certainly won't be for everyone, but what I really like about what Huawei have been and are continuing to do is they really test the water with tech. They don't just play it safe, they're constantly striving for innovation. It's what they've always done, and I'm guessing it's what they're going to continue to do. But what are they, and how do they work? Well, they're Huawei's first ever open-ear, truly wireless headphones, with this innovative C-Bridge clip-on design. As stated, these absolutely won't be for all of you, as they certainly aren't mainstream kind of blend in, but more for those of you that are brave with your fashion and willingness to accessorize. And in that sense, you might think these are a really cool addition to your wardrobe. In case you hadn't realised, that's why I'm wearing my cap back to front today. We're fashion forward. This running theme is especially backed up by the available colours that are all kind of jewellery-esque in a way, but the actual technology is perfect for the gym, outdoor running, certain sports, and even for possibly in a relaxed work environment where you might want to be listening to podcasts or music or communication with other people and still having access to the world around you. Because the sound waves come from inside these acoustic balls, so audio is transmitted straight into your ear canal. But at the same time, your ear is not plugged, so the outside world for you is certainly not private. Unlike normal earbuds, whilst being immersed in your music or podcasts, you still have full access to the world around you. The likes of road traffic, people trying to communicate with you, etc. is all no problem. But there are a couple of problems by design with this style of product, and both are a direct result of the fact that the earbuds aren't plugged. The first is, of course, no ANC. The FreeBuds Pro 3 have you covered there, and the second is sound leakage. This is often an issue with open-ear audio equipment, but the reverse sound wave system built inside the acoustic ball does minimise sound leakage to some extent, and people around me have told me, even at sort of high volume levels, they can't really hear what I'm listening to, and that is quite reassuring to know you have that still private listening experience. The FreeClips are incredibly comfortable and light at just 5.6 grams, to the point where a few times I've actually forgot that I'm wearing them and I've gone searching for them to put them on, and then I realised that, yeah, I'm actually wearing them already. And this is quite rare for an audio product. I generally, after around 3 to 4 hours with nearly every ones that I've tried, because they're in-ear plugged, they tend to need a bit of a wiggle. Whereas these, I honestly feel like I could wear them all day. So if you are someone who does tend to suffer from in-ear fatigue, these might be ideal for you because you have that C-Bridge, which is almost a bit like a memory material as well, so it kind of molds to the shape of your outer ear. And one awesome feature for those that often use buds in only one ear is that they have self-adaptive left-right audio channels, meaning you can wear either earbud on either ear, and you can put them back in either slot. It doesn't matter. I mean, the amount of times I've fumbled around with earbuds trying to put them in the right slot, the right hole. Where are we going with this? Not anymore. But how do they sound? Well, in pure audio quality, they naturally aren't quite as immersive and rich as the FreeBuds Pro 3, which are a very, very solid audio product. But that doesn't mean these are bad by any means. They have 10.8mm dual magnet driver units, and while the bass could be slightly punchier, as long as the balls are firmly in your ears, vocals and instruments are really crisp and really surprisingly loud, to the point where I actually only ever go to about halfway max when listening to music. Impressive stuff. They're also very solid for phone calls with a windproof mic and an algorithm that helps to pick out your voice from the ambient background noises. And I've used them a few times and their clarity has been really good. My voice is apparently clear, and again, you're hands-free and focused on the world around you, so it's great for multitasking naturally. You've got 8 hours of listening time, 36 with the included case, and 3 hours after just 10 minutes of charge. Huawei have always been pretty impressive with their charging facilities, and again, no different here. You also have IP54 water and dust resistant rating, dual device connection at one time, so your phone, your laptop, etc. And you have customizable gesture control for play, pause, skip track, voice assistant, etc. And this can all be controlled using the Huawei AI Life app, which is nice and detailed without being overwhelming. And I have noticed when watching movies or gaming that the latency isn't necessarily elite, but it is certainly acceptable. These are currently $179.99, but also for $179.99, they have the aforementioned FreeBuds Pro 3, and these are an option to go toe-to-toe with the big hitters. But whilst not cheap, they are more affordable than most. Again, style is at the cornerstone, and I do like this kind of incandescent silvery grey colouring. Again, similar to this, it's kind of like a pearl-esque with the FreeClips that I've got here. But there's some serious tech involved too. The ANC 3.0 tech is subtly solid, as is the all-round sound quality. Certainly top tier in both departments when compared to other wireless earbuds in this sort of price bracket, but they probably fall a little bit short of premium over-ear ANC headphones, which are, I might add, considerably more expensive. The 11mm drivers help to create a powerful and well-rounded sound with a decent amount of bass, and I'd probably only say these were an avoid if you were a 100% audiophile. I must have all of those fine details in every single layer of track. Outside of that, for 95% of the human population, then you're gonna think that these are a really, really great sound. They support L2HC 2.0 and LDAC codecs and are certified by both HWA and Hi-Res Audio Wireless to deliver high-resolution audio. 6.5 hours battery with 31 with the case, and like with the FreeClips, they are also IP54 rated and can be charged wirelessly. Touch controls on the stems, which include pinches and slides, and this is my preference on earbuds over touch panel, as I find it to work far more accurately because it's much harder to miss the intended target, helped by small recessed areas to guide you. Both cases are small and sleek and great for pocket sliding, which is a term I've never used and I don't think I'll ever use again. Just don't let your pets get anywhere near them because Barney has already smashed this all over the floor. Oh, just had some information that I have 2 codes that are going to be in the video description below. One for the FreeClips for 15% off and one for the FreeBuds Pro 3 for 30% off. So if you're interested in either, then we have some more special discounts for them as well. 2 great wireless audio options from Huawei. More information will be left in the video description below. Like the video if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Subscribe and do the same as well if you want more content like this. My name's Adam. You've been the best as always. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. ASBYT. Peace out.